Good day, legends, and a massive welcome to Body Making Health Management. It's great to have you here with me. Today, we're diving into nutrient timing, how it can impact your muscle growth and fat loss. Think of it as learning the secret handshake your body uses to make the most of the good food you're putting into it. It's about working your body to achieve your goals, whether that's building lean muscle, shedding fat, or just feeling more energetic. Understanding to eat certain foods can be a real game changer. Let's get started. Chapter 1. What is nutrient timing? Alright, so first things first, what exactly nutrient timing? It's about you eat certain nutrients, especially proteins and carbohydrates, in relation to your workout schedule. The idea is to maximize muscle repair, promote muscle growth, and optimize fat burning. By syncing your meals with your body's activity level, you can give yourself a serious edge. Think of your body like a sponge that soaks up nutrients differently throughout the day. Before you exercise, your body has certain needs. During a long or intense session, those needs might change. After you've put in the hard work, your muscles need specific building blocks to recover and grow. Nutrient timing is about understanding these different states and feeding the sponge accordingly. It can be that extra 1 or 2% that pushes you towards your goals more efficiently. For everyday fitness enthusiasts, it can mean faster recovery and better results. Understanding this foundation is key to unlocking the benefits we'll discuss next. Chapter 2. Fueling up for success. Now let's talk about what to do before you even step into the gym or start your run. Pre-workout nutrition is all about setting yourself up for success. Enhance your energy, boost strength, and improve endurance. Carbohydrates provide quick energy. Protein helps muscle synthesis and reduces breakdown. Hydration is key for performance. A balanced meal 1.5 to 2 hours before training is ideal. Include complex carbs, lean protein, and healthy fat. A smaller snack 30 to 60 minutes before works too. Focus on simpler carbs and a bit of protein. Find what works best for your body. Some need more time, others less. Experiment to see what makes you feel strong. Pre-workout fuel aids mental focus too. This step can improve your training quality. Chapter 3. To sip or not to sip. Alright, so you've nailed your pre-workout nutrition, you're warmed up, and you're hitting your stride. The next question is, do you need to eat or drink anything your workout? This is what we call intra-workout nutrition. For a lot of people doing standard gym sessions, the answer might surprise you. If your workout is under about 60 minutes and you've fueled up properly beforehand, you generally don't need to consume any extra calories or specific nutrients during the training itself, apart from water. However, if you're engaging in really intense or long-duration exercise, then intra-workout fuel can become beneficial. In these scenarios, providing some easily digestible nutrients can help maintain performance, delay fatigue, and even preserve muscle mass. The focus during a workout, if needed, is usually on simple, fast-acting carbohydrates that your body can absorb and use quickly for energy. For most of us hitting the gym for an hour or so, focusing on good pre-workout nutrition and staying hydrated with water during the session is perfectly adequate. Chapter 4. Repair and rebuild. Alright, you've crushed your workout, you're feeling that good kind of tired, and the hard part is over, right? Well, almost. Post-workout nutrition is crucial for recovery. Your muscles are primed to absorb nutrients to repair and rebuild, replenish glycogen, trigger muscle repair, and rehydrate. Aim to eat within 30 to 60 minutes post-workout. Include high-quality protein and digestible carbs. A protein shake with fruit or a meal like grilled chicken works great. For fasted training, post-workout nutrition is even more critical. Get nutrients in promptly to prevent muscle breakdown. Post-workout meals are crucial for overall nutrition. Consistent post-workout nutrition leads to better recovery and progress. Make it a non-negotiable part of your routine. Chapter 5. The Strategic Edge. Nutrient timing isn't just for muscle growth. It can also aid fat loss. The key is maintaining a consistent calorie deficit. Strategic eating can make fat loss more efficient. It helps preserve muscle, manage hunger, and optimize energy. Protein is crucial in a calorie deficit. Eat protein with every meal to preserve muscle. Timing protein intake supports muscle retention. Use workout timing to enjoy carbs. Eat most carbs around training sessions. This fuels workouts and replenishes glycogen. Nutrient timing complements calorie control for fat loss. Strategic eating supports your fat loss goals. Chapter 6. Myth versus reality. Let's talk about a term that gets thrown around a lot in fitness circles: the anabolic window. The classic idea is that there's this magical, super short period immediately after your workout, where your body is in a prime state for muscle growth. But here's a reality check. While your body is definitely sensitized to nutrients after a workout, this anabolic window isn't quite as narrow as once believed. The period during which your body is more receptive to nutrients for muscle repair and growth is likely much wider, potentially lasting for several hours. This doesn't mean post-workout nutrition isn't important. It absolutely is. Getting quality protein and carbohydrates in after your training is still a very good strategy for optimizing recovery and growth. What seems to matter more for maximizing muscle growth is hitting your overall daily protein targets consistently. Focus on distributing that protein intake relatively evenly across your meals. Prioritizing a protein-rich meal or snack within a few hours after your workout is still a smart move. Consistency and total intake trump hyper-specific timing for most people. Chapter 7. Does nutrient timing matter for everyone? The big picture. So does nutrient timing matter for everyone? It's a fair question, and the answer is nuanced. Nutrient timing helps optimize your results, but it's generally not the most important factor for the average person. There's a hierarchy of nutritional priorities: total daily calorie intake, total daily macronutrient intake, and the overall quality of the food you're eating. Nutrient timing comes after these foundational elements. For someone just starting their fitness journey, focusing too much on nutrient timing might be counterproductive. The primary focus should be on establishing consistent healthy eating habits, getting regular exercise, and ensuring an appropriate calorie and protein intake. Once those basics are solidly in place, then exploring nutrient timing can be a great way to fine-tune your approach. For individuals who are already consistent with their training and overall diet, nutrient timing can indeed offer a tangible benefit. Ultimately, focus on the big picture first. Master the fundamentals of good nutrition and consistent training. Balance and consistency will always be your greatest allies. So, there you have it, a deep dive into the world of nutrient timing. We've covered what it is, how to approach it before, during, and after your workouts, and its role in both muscle growth and fat loss. Remember, while it can be a powerful tool to optimize your results, it's part of a bigger picture. Focus on your overall calorie intake, getting enough protein, and choosing quality whole foods as your foundation. Experiment with these principles, listen to your body, and find what makes you feel your best and perform at your peak. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to Body Make and Health Management for more insights. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!